Hey, John here. I want to tell you how to go ahead and close your frunk really easy with these new springs, the C77s. This was first listed on iTesla, so I want to go ahead and do my own video on this, which will show you how to do it. And what this will do is, I've already done the modification to make it pop up automatically, your frunk, but I want to go ahead and show you how to go ahead and just close it with you can close it with just a finger, like 2 fingers. You can just push it down really easy and it does its latching, and we're just going to see how well it works. I think it's going to be really great. Let's try it. Okay, so the only things you're going to need is this spring, which I'll put the link below, and just a pair of needle nose. Okay, so this is pretty easy. All we're going to do is go ahead and take out this spring from the bag. And now this spring is really super light. It is probably 2 to 3 pounds of pressure, and that is so much lighter than the spring that's in here. So we're gonna take this out. This is real easy. All I do is lift up on that, it'll come right out. This button right here is an emergency button that if you press it, it will activate that security latch I talked about in the previous video. So if you see that, that's moving back and forth, and what that does is it holds our loop right here, and it holds it on the first section. Once you just start putting it down, it's going to grab a hold of that, and that will stop it from coming up all the way if you're driving. It's a safety feature. So we're not hurting the safety feature, because all we're doing is making it a little easier to go ahead and do this. So now if you go ahead and this is the spring that we're replacing, and here's the spring that we're going to put on. So it's just it's definitely a lot lighter, but this is really strong spring which fights you when you're pushing it down. And with these assisted struts that come up really automatically, these gas struts, you don't need so much of a force. So we're just going to go ahead and take this off real quick. You just take your needle nose and you just pop that off. That was so easy. That's probably pretty easy. You just take that off, and we're going to go ahead and put this one on. Okay, so you're going to take this spring, and we're going to put it exactly where the other one was. That's really easy. You're going to hook it over this hook and hook it over this one. That's much lighter. If I go ahead and press this button, it's pushing it back. Not a problem. That's where our latch happens. But that isn't where the spring is engaging. So we're going to see it happen once I bring it down. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. I'm going to slowly bring this down. And oh man, it just did it automatically. I didn't have that 2-step process. It turned it into a 1-step process. Okay, popping up was incredibly quiet, and closing it was really quiet. So one thing this really big spring did was give us a very loud clunk when you went and ejected the frunk to open. You get a really loud clunk, and it's almost scary. It almost startles you. So, and pushing it down, you have that similar thing. It's hard to press down, and it's very difficult. So with this other spring, it's nothing. You just go ahead and just put it down. It's nothing. I'm going to go ahead and replace this real quick, and we see that it's all put back together nicely. Listen to this. Just doing this. I didn't even do anything. It was just so easy and quick to do that. It's just amazing. All right, let's listen to it pop right now. That was really amazing. I didn't even hear this thing go up. It was so quiet. Now, just putting it with 2 fingers, done. It's closed. Amazing. I definitely recommend this. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe. I love to hear your comments, and I do these videos constantly. Thank you so much. Take care.